If you've walked down the Oak Bluffs Pier at the harbor, you've probably met Petey, owner of Coop de Ville. Petey is the guy that knows everyone and everything on the harbor, just as he knows how to make and keep his customers happy at the Coop. It's one of those places where the moment you walk in, you feel like a local, even if you're on vacation. I'm here at Coop de Ville in Oak Bluffs on the water with Jimmy, the general manager. Tell us a little bit about this restaurant. It's a sea bar as well.
Yeah, so it's Coop de Ville because we do, we sell the best chicken wings on the island. Opening day, we went through 300 pounds of chicken, so like we really move. Everyone comes out for the chicken. But we focus heavily also on fried food, so clam strips, clam bellies, fried scallop plates, fish and chips, the whole nine. Full raw bar, honeysuckle oysters, locally from Edgartown, Mass.
Do you have any specialties throughout the summer?
Yeah, so we brought in a new kitchen manager this year, Nate Lawrence. He actually came up from Boston. He was running a food truck up there for a few years, and he used to work at Luca down in the North End. But he's been coming down doing specials every day, fresh catch, swordfish tacos, and local island seafood. And he's also been doing a couple different salad things for the Coop de Ville, as far as, fried pickled green beans that we pickle in-house, and coleslaw vinaigrette opposed to a normal mayo base.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. Well, thank you for having us. I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, we got to get
these
at those
wings
before they get cold.
Thank you.
Absolutely.